How to delete a repository on GitHub. Now, in order to delete a repository on GitHub, you just simply need to open either the GitHub application or open your browser and open this website of github.com. Then log into your account. Then you are gonna see this option of your repositories on this homepage. If you cannot see it from here, you can tap into these three lines from the top left corner. After tapping in there, you will get to see this option of all repositories. Tap to that in order to view all of your repos and select this option and choose my repository from this page. Then you will see all of the repos that you have in GitHub. Select the one which you would like to delete or specifically tap into this gear icon below that repository. Then the settings for the repository will be opened up. You need to just simply scroll down to all the way to bottom and you will see the option of delete this repo. Tap to delete this repository and tap to I want to delete this repository. You can read all of this and tap to I have read and understood, and then you need to type your username and the slash your repository's name in the box given in your screen. Then tap to delete this repository. Then your repository will permanently be deleted on GitHub. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.